Good morning. Today we are going to discuss this topic for chapter number 5 for basic computing, that is the system unit. As you already know, we discussed all the 4 chapters before. They've given you a general idea about like what is a computer, physical diagram of a computer, and then hardware, software, application softwares, those things we have studied. Now today we are going to study about the system unit. Now what do you mean by the system unit? That is, we are now talking about the system. Which system? Computer system. Because already I told you, systems we have many types, but we are concentrating on computer system here. So now we are eager to know what is there inside this system, how it is working, how the numbers are going and coming out, how we are getting the results. Okay, fine. So to understand this, first you have to open your computer box. So once you open, you just have a look at this screen. It looks like this only inside it. You have so many electronic devices here and some parts over here, which you know, some of you may not be knowing it. Like this is called IC, capacitors, resistances, many things. So let us now go into the real world of our computer system. Now we are inside the system. So now, to understand that, let's first study the system unit definition here. It is a container that houses most of the electronic components that make up a computer system. So he says that this system, now I have a model here, a sample, which is for the display purpose. So here we have all the components, electronic components, connected inside this box. That is the reason we call it as the house of all the electronic components inside this box. Now what is that we call this box? There is a name for this. That we call it as chassis. What we call it? System chassis. That is the box which is collecting all the components inside it, and we have stored it here. Now what are the things which we have here? So to understand this, personal computers, most widely used type of the computers, and there are 5 types of personal computers. Now firstly, personal word he is using here. That is a computer which you use it as a standalone and for your personal one. Like say, you are using it for writing your documents, for doing some small accounting purpose, and those things. These personal computers, they are of different types, mostly divided in 5. It starts with first desktops. What are these desktops? The name itself says a computer which is placed on a desktop, which has a CPU separately, that is the chassis box, a display unit, the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse, and for that you cannot take it from one place to another place. It has to be used at one place and fixed in a table. So that is what is called as a desktop computer. Then laptops. Laptops are portable computers which you can carry, but these are a little bit heavier, like say 3 kgs or approximately like that, because it has CD drive inside it, and it has a DVD player connected with it, a keyboard, and the display unit. And mostly this type of laptops, it operates only with the keyboards. There is no touch screen, but touch screens are different one. So this is one of the examples which I have here, the sample of a laptop. Then he talks about tablets. Tablets, nowadays it's very common. Every one of us is having a tablet which is only a screen and which comes in different sizes, like starting from 10 inches, 12 inches, 16 inches, something like that, which is completely a touch screen. It doesn't have a separate keyboard, but only a screen where you can just click and you can just use it. And the keyboard also appears in a display unit. So that is what is called as a tablet, which you can connect with your Wi-Fi. You can use it for all your personal work, same like a computer, using Excel, PowerPoint, Office, and all your games, anything you can do it. So that is what is tablets. And coming to the next one is smartphones. This every one of us we know it nowadays. Before it was just a phone, only for making a call and receiving the call. But now the word is added to it, smartphones. Why? Because now the phones are equipped with same like computer phones. Like it functions same like a computer. You can do all your applications there, you can play games, you can connect it to your internet, you can connect it via wireless internet and Wi-Fi, and then you can use it for all your applications. Then now the world is very compressed and it is in your hands. You can do whatever you want to do with your PC. You can do it the same things with your smartphones. So this is the smartphones which we have. And then the last type is wearable computers. Now, what does it mean? Wearable computers. Computer, we have seen that it is placed on a table. We use it like this. Wearable, you can wear it. How? Yes, nowadays we have the smartwatch. That is a watch which you can wear. And this watch is not just a watch which is showing you the time, it's also giving you all the information about your mobile phone. You can synchronize it with your mobile phone, you can get the data here, you can make the calls, you can use it for any work, whatever you can do it with your smartphone. All the things is possible in your watch. So those type of devices we call it as wearable computers, and in future you will be also getting a device which you can wear it on your eyes and you can see it. Nowadays Samsung is also giving you this virtual device where you just wear it and you can see all the things in virtual reality. So those are the things which are here. So these are the 5 different types of common personal computers. Now, let us talk about this system unit. As I told you in the beginning of this chapter, we are going to concentrate on the box here. So, desktops, now you can see here, some pictures are given here, like this is for the desktop computer. This is also a desktop computer, but here, this box is not separately given, but it is combined inside it. So, the CPU is inside. This is also a desktop computer, which is a little bit heavier and you have to keep it on a table. And this is the example of a laptop or a tablet, which can be foldable and you can use it both laptop and tablet. And this is just a laptop, which is having a keyboard attached to it, and you can work it with the keyboards. So the laptops are also having different types in it, like 2-in-1 laptops. This is the 2-in-1 laptops. Ultrabooks, which is very thin, which will not have a CD drive or DVD drive, and it's a very thin and very light to carry. You can carry it very easily from one place to another place. And then you have the gaming devices, which is nothing but the tablets which you are using. Fine. So now let's come to this system unit here. And in this system unit, now we are talking about the most important part. Every day we are talking about motherboard, right? It looks like this. Now let us see it in the reality, how it looks in your PC. Now, coming to your PC, now this is what is your motherboard. Can you see all electronic devices what she was telling about? See, these are the capacitors, these are the ICs which are connected. Many different types of ICs are over here. Now, what is the most important thing in a computer? The most important part of a computer is CPU. Now, where is that CPU and where it is connected? Yes, the CPU is this one. This is the CPU which we talk about every time, and these are the pins which are connected to it, and this is how it looks from the back side, and where it is connected, and this is connected on this button here. Now it is fixed somewhat like this, and this is a very important device in a computer. Why? Because all the work is done in the CPU. So when it is doing all this so many works, it gets heated. It gets heated. So we have to keep it cool. We have to keep it cool. So how to keep it cool? We have this fan over here, which will allow the heat to come outside, and we keep some coolant here, and then we fix it over this. So this is how it keeps the CPU cool. So even we know that when we are working too much, our mind gets heated up. So we need something cool. So you go for a cool drink and then you relax. So the CPU also needs cooling. So you have to keep it cool. Then what is the next important part in it? Then what are these other things? Then these are the other things is the slots. These are the slots which are used for extending some of the functions in your computer, and these are the slots which are used for RAM. And I hope you know, you have every time learned about RAM. RAM is temporary memory, and temporary memory is fixed over on this slots. Now what is the difference between these two? This is only for RAM. You cannot fix any other card over here, but this one you can connect any other card